Xt is tending to 3 and 1 was given. Okay. Actually, here it is called variable. Here it is called value. If you observe the graph, for example, this is x-axis and y-axis. X value is tending to 3. Where it was located? Value of 3 as on x-axis. Somewhere like this, right? So this is a variable x. It is approaching 3 from either sides. If it was left side, it will be mentioned as 3 minus. Okay. The x is approaching from right side. It was mentioned as 3 plus. Understood? Okay.
Yeah.
And here there is no x was given. It was just a constant. Constant means 1 is the answer. That was the answer. Because there is no x here. It's a constant function. What is the function was? Whether it is a constant function. F of x was, actually the format will be looking like this. Limit x tends to a f of x. Okay. Often f of x will be looking like this. This is f of x. But here what happens? This f of x will be a constant function. This is constant function. Here f of x equal to 1. That means y value equal to 1. This is 1, right? For
Yeah.
value of 3 also the same thing happens. So the answer is 1 answer. Understood?
Yeah.
X square plus 5x by x. Is that the one?
Yeah. I got it now. I didn't think of taking the common factors out.
Yes, you can take common. But we can substitute the value directly. We can also substitute the directly. What happens if you substitute directly? If it was substituted directly, 0 square 5 into 0 plus 0. Then it will be 0 by 0, which is undetermined form, UDF.
But they gave the answer as 5.
Just wait. If you do that, it is called undetermined form. That means while you are substituting directly, that is called calculating functional value. What is that called? Calculating functional value. So functional value does not exist. Functional value. Okay, done. But what he is asking, limit value. What is the difference between functional value and limit value? If sometimes what happens? Sometimes functional value never exists. Okay. For example, if you are buy a chocolate, if you want to buy a chocolate, so you went to some shopping mall. After shopping mall, there the chocolate cost was $5.1. Okay, you have to give. You can give $6. Okay, or you can give $5, and you cannot give this $5.1, right?
Yeah.
So what you have to do? The shop owner does not agree that he lost the $0.1. So he asked to pay the $6, and the rest of the amount he will deposit it into your account or something else. He can give one more chocolate which cost $0.9. Okay, in this way, the operation was balanced. Understood? The same thing is here.
Yeah.
It is called limit value. Sometimes what happens is sometimes functional value never exists, like this in this situation. Sometimes functional value does not exist. In that situations, we are using this limit calculations to find out the nearest value. Using this limit concept, we are calculating the nearest values, not exact values. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, It was, if you substituted directly, that means you are trying to calculate the functional value. It was not possible. So what you do, you have to do some operations. Those operations to get the permission, that is called the calculating limit. Those all permissions exist only in limit calculating. So that's why we are always write here, we wrote here limit extends to 0. Okay. So for calculating functional value, you are not allowed to take common and do calculation and do cancellation. No operation is allowed to calculate in functional values. Just you can substitute the direct value as a value of x is 0. And then you have to, what you can get, you have to find that value. That's all. That is called functional operation. But here we are doing limiting operation. Limiting operation means you are allowed to do what you want. Okay, so limit x tends to 0 or take common. What is this? X plus x 5 and x. Yeah, yes, you can also cancel here that x. And now what left? X plus 5 and limit x tends to 0. Now you can replace x with 0 here. That will be the answer. Actually, this is limit value, not exact value. Understood?
Yeah.
Next, we will do the next question. Tell me functional value.
It's undefined.
Yes, minus 2 cube plus 8 divided by minus 2 plus 2. It will be minus 8 plus 8. And this is 0. So 0 upon 0, clearly it is undefined, UDF, undetermined form. So we will do limit questions. Limit x tends to minus 2. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? You can write 8 as 2 cube. Understood? Yeah. What is the formula of a cube plus b cube? A plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. Okay? So limit x tends to minus 2. A is x here and b is 2. A is x and b is 2. So a plus b means x plus 2 and x square minus 2x plus b square means 2 square divided by x plus 2. So x plus 2 got cancelled. Limit x tends to minus 2. X square minus 2x plus 2 square is 4. Now we are substituting x value as minus 2. So minus 2 whole square minus 2 of minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 whole square. Minus a square will be plus. 2 square is 4. Minus of minus plus. 2 2s are 4 and again 4. So this will be how much? 4 3s are 12. This is the answer. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Divided by x minus 3. Actually, we will try first by substituting 3. 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. Actually, listen. Limit problem means first you have to substitute the text value 3 directly into that. If it was undefined, then only you have to approach in a different manner. Got it? That's why I am doing every time direct substitution. When I got 0 by 0 or something like that undetermined form, then only I will move to the next method. This is the procedure of solving every limit problem. Understood or not?
Yeah.
Okay. 3 minus 3. Here it will be 3 square is 9, 5 3s are 15 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 3 0. Numerator is also 0, denominator is also 0. That means it is undetermined form. So we have to approach this problem in a different manner. So what is the possibility? Think of that possibility. What you can do in this question? Denominator x minus 3, you cannot change that. Yes, you can. So it is a quadratic equation. So you can do that there, only factorization. So we will factorize this question. It was changed to problem to problem. Okay. Don't think that one formula was learned, one procedure was learned, and everything will be solved. No. This will depend upon the given functionality. Okay. So here it was quadratic. You can modify quadratic only by doing factorization. So let me factorize this. X square minus 5x plus 6. It will be factorized. 6 can be written as 2 3s. So minus 2 minus 3. So x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. So x is common. So x minus 2 minus 3 is common, x minus 2. So that means x minus 2 and x minus 3. So you can copy and paste these values here. So x minus 2 times of x minus 3. Now, is there any cancellations? X minus 3, x minus 3 got cancelled. X tends to 3. Only x minus 2 left. Now you can substitute 3 now. So 3 minus 2 will be 1 answer. Understood?
Yeah.
So here, substitute the direct value. So 3 plus 3, how much is that? 6 by 6. Now it was exist. Understood?
It's 3 into 3, 9.
1.5, yes. Understood?
Yeah.
First, you need to try the substitution. Then if it was undefined, then you can move to the next method.
It's 0 by 0.
Now we will substitute first, okay? 5 minus 5 by 2 into 5 square minus 9 into 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 into 25 minus 45 minus 5. So that equal to 0 by 225 is 50 minus 50, which was 0 by 0. You have to do the calculation in the denominator. Don't fix that 0 by any. Actually, 0 by anything is 0. It was the answer. You can accept that. But you have to check the denominator value. If it was 0, then you can say it is undetermined. Otherwise, you have to accept 0 in the numerator as his answer. Understood?
Yeah.
Limit x tends to 5. Numerator is x minus 5. And the only thing you can do it here is you have to do factorization of this denominator. Factorize this. 2x square minus 9x minus 5. You have to multiply the square quotient and constant together. It will be minus 10. You have to say two numbers. That 10 and 1 are two numbers. Minus 10 and plus 1 can do this job. So minus into plus minus, 10 ones are 10. Minus 10 plus 1 is minus 9. Understood?
Yeah.
So 2x square minus 10x plus 1 into x minus 5. So 2x is a common factor here, x minus 5. And 1 is a common factor, x minus 5. So again, x minus 5 is a common factor and 2x plus 1. So write down here x minus 5, 2x plus 1. X minus 5 got cancelled. Now, limit x tends to 5, 1 by 2x plus 1. And we will substitute the value of x as 5. So 2 times of 5 plus 1, which will be 1 by 10 plus 1, which is 11. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Minus 2. So first we will do 1 minus 1. 1 square plus 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is also 0, which is undetermined form. So we will do factorization in the denominator. X square plus x minus 2. Take the x square quotient 1, constant minus 2, multiply together and say two numbers, plus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 will work here. So x square plus 2x minus 1 into x minus 2. So x is a common factor, x plus 2, and minus 1 is a common factor, x plus 2. Okay. So again, x plus 2 is a common factor and x minus 1. So now here, limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 by x plus 2 into x minus 1. Now you can cancel x minus 1, numerator and in the denominator. So after cancellation, what left? 1 by x plus 2. So 1 by 1 plus 2. 1 by 1 plus 2, how much? 3. This is the answer. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. This will be 4 minus 1, 4 square plus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 1 is 3, 16 plus 4 minus 2. So 3 by 20 minus 2. That is 3 by 18.
18.
This is the
1
answer.
over 6. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 over 6. That's correct. Understood?
Yeah.
By x minus 1. So substitute the values 1 cube minus 1 by 1 minus 1, which is 0 by 0 undetermined form. Then we will use this formula a cube minus b cube here. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So limit extends to 1. And remember, it was not quadratic. It's a cubic, right? In cubic situations, we will remember these formulas, and okay, whenever the need of these formulas, we will use them. So a means x, b means 1. So x minus 1 of x square plus 1 into x plus 1 square, according to a square plus ab plus b square. Denominator is x minus 1, cancel. Now what left? Limit extends to 1. X square plus 1 into x is x plus 1 square is 1. Now we will substitute the value of x as 1 here. So 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1